So you might be in a situation where for some reason your particular iPhone is giving you pop-ups that your iPhone needs to go ahead and update, or you're getting random iPhone update notifications, things like that. Well, the number one thing you're going to have to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that your particular iPhone doesn't have automatic updates already installed or it enabled. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and make your way over into your settings application. So hop into settings just like this. And then what I'd recommend doing is going into your general option, which is right here, going into software update, which is right here. And then what I'd recommend doing is all the way at the very top where it says automatic updates, tap on that, and you want to disable these options. So disable automatic iOS updates, this one, and automatically install these updates as well. The reason for that is because you're really only getting the notifications because these updates come up and they tell you to automatically install them or automatically download them. So they're going to keep bothering you once they're fully installed and downloaded. So that's kind of the first thing. Now, on top of that, what you can also do is you can scroll back out of here. You can go back into your general settings, click on iPhone storage, and you just want to delete that update. So if that iOS update is installed, you can scroll down for it. You can try finding it wherever it is, and then you can try deleting that update from there. So that will allow you to just delete it, and it'll basically stop bothering you as of that point. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.